Welcome back everyone! It's day 2 of our Advent calendar countdown. Are you ready for another surprise? Let's open the next door together. Let's see what's behind door 2. Yay! It's a storybook. Today, we're going to have a special holiday story time. I have a cozy blanket right here. Let's get comfy. Today's story is called The Night Before Christmas. The Night Before Christmas is a beloved children's story that brings the magic of Christmas Eve to life. Written by Clement Clark Moore, it tells the exciting tale of a family waiting for Santa Claus to arrive. As the night goes on, they imagine Santa's sleigh, his reindeer, and all the wonderful gifts he brings. The story is filled with joy and happiness, showing the fun of Christmas and the spirit of giving. With its catchy rhyme and rhythm, it's a perfect bedtime story that you love to hear during the holiday season. Wasn't that a magical story? What was your favorite part? I loved when Santa came down the chimney. Thanks for joining me for story time. We'll discover another surprise. See you then. Bye!